Okay, hi guys, hi fellow riders. My name is Shauki and this is my Canyon Talk CF7, the 2022 model. And for my suspension, I'm using RockShox Zep Select Plus, and the brakes is SRAM Code R with the SRAM Centerline 200mm brake rotors. So I'm not sure about my handlebar degrees, but for me, I find that the angle is comfortable for me because my hands are long and I don't need too much rise for my handlebar, so it is very comfortable for me to use it, and yeah, it's good, doing well so far. For my drivetrain, I'm using a Truvative Descendant crankset with 32T chainring and a 1051 cassette with a SRAM GX derailleur. So for my rear suspension, I've used a RockShox Super Deluxe Select Plus with 170mm of travel. Super Deluxe more comfortable for me to use as I'm more of a aggressive rider, and I feel like the shock can last longer and it can accommodate to my riding style much more better as compared to a RockShox Deluxe. Okay, hi guys, my name is Shauki and this is my Canyon Talk 29 CF7, the 2022 series, and this is my bike check.